McCahill Painting technicians are experts in repairing damaged drywall. First, we take a piece of 120 grit sandpaper and gently knock off loose drywall paper. Next, the McCahill Painting technician applies a product manufactured by Zinsser's named Guards. This is an excellent sealer that won't allow moisture to penetrate through it. It dries to a clear finish. Finally, we're ready to apply drywall compound using a 6-inch knife. Because of the Guards sealer, moisture won't penetrate and bubble the drywall paper. This process will require 2 or 3 applications of the drywall compound with sanding in between coats. After that, you'll be ready to prime the drywall and finally paint it, restoring it to a brand new finish.